Today, a car that has been parked under a tree for half a year. But it was strange. No tree watering. Look at this leaf. It will also clean you up. Seemingly down and out king. The whole family bucket returns your youth. Get to work, get to work. Pivots. Brush these edge seams. Whole car vacuuming. Then scrub the interior. Ski GS3 interior cleaning solution is used. Tear it off and see the comparison. The contrast is still very obvious. On the left is burst pulp. On the right is the freshly washed bulb. Then the whole car jade seal. Objective to soften and kill dust on the car. Flush after 2 minutes. Brush from the bottom up. The goal is to better distinguish where the leakage is. It doesn't work. Then the chairperson. Pitch treated after boiling. Then the whole car PA. Wipe the residue. Then give the whole car mud to the plain iron powder. Dry and prepare for wine taboo 3-in-1 curing agent. Avoid wine with polishing. Remove rain marks and stains. Functions such as scratch removal and paint maintenance. The former youth has returned. Then walk everywhere else. Friends without polishers. It can be operated with the scent sponge because it's okay to avoid wine. You can wax them one by one. Wipe it off with a clean towel. This is the hydrophobic effect of alcohol avoidance. The former king has also returned. Brothers who like to watch, pay attention to a wave. Thank you.
Nice.